In this video, I'll show you how to bridge tokens using Metamask. First, open Metamask and unlock your wallet. Make sure you have the tokens you want to bridge and enough of the network's native token to cover the gas fees for the transaction. Next, click the Bridge button on the Metamask home screen. If you don't see the option, make sure you're using the latest version of Metamask and that the Bridge feature is available in your wallet. Once the Bridge page opens, select the network you're transferring tokens from in the From field. Then choose the destination network in the To field. After that, select the token you want to bridge and enter the amount you want to transfer. Now, review the estimated amount you'll receive, the bridge fee, the network fees, and the estimated transfer time. Make sure all of the details are correct before moving to the next step. If everything looks good, click Review Bridge. Double-check the transaction details, then click Confirm. Metamask will prompt you to approve the transaction in your wallet. Review the gas fee one last time and click Confirm again to submit the transaction. After that, wait for the bridge to process your transfer. Depending on the networks you're using, the transaction may take a few minutes to complete. You can monitor its progress directly in Metamask until it's finished. Once the transfer is complete, switch to the destination network and verify that your bridged tokens have arrived. If the token isn't visible, you may need to import it manually using its official contract address. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to bridge tokens using Metamask. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.